Today I'm going to show you 3 ways you can turn off your iPhone. You need to hold and press the power button, and at the same time you can press either of the volume buttons. Within a second you'll see the screen along with some haptic feedback. Then, as this button says, you slide to power off. This is one way to turn off your iPhone. Now, to turn it on, you press and hold the power button until you see the Apple icon on the screen. It will take a few seconds to completely power on. Then you can enter the passcode to get in. For the second method to work, you will need to be on iOS 18. You can swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Then you press and hold the power icon until you get some haptic response and then let go. You'll see the slide to power off screen again. Then you simply slide to power off. For the third way, you need to go into the Settings app, General, scroll all the way down and then tap onto Shut Down button. Then you slide to power off. Like the video if you liked it and subscribe for future videos. I'll see you in the next one.